Hi everyone, it's good to be back here again. My name is Ade Richard Philip, and in this today's video, I will be showing you how to easily create and set up your Facebook pixel when using Elementor page builder. So I'm going to make it simple and short and just go straight to the point. Come to your Facebook here. You don't need to enter your event manager. So just create your ad as if you want to create your campaign. Yeah, simple thing. I've already created the campaign here. Then let's try to click on edit. We have our campaign level, ad set, and the ad. Let's come to the campaign level. So, and don't forget, the only objective you can use to set up pixel is when you are trying to create, when you are making use of the lead objective and the sales. You understand? So we click on the website. Then let's try to create our pixel here. Click on create, name your pixel, anything. Let me just make it of anything, charcoal stove, or my name, Richie. Click on create. You have a website. If you have a website, you can type in your website. And if you don't have, click on I don't have, but I have a website. So I'm coming. Let me just put in my website. Paste. Continue. So you're asking, is it to write code now or return to creating that? You can click on any of these two. If you want to write code now, we are going to generate our code directly, and you want to return to creating your advert. Maybe you are not ready to set the pixel now, you just want to set up the advert and then set the pixel later. You can click on return to creating your advert. You might be showing something like this later. Then you come back here, click on the pixel we set. Don't forget the name Richie. I click on Richie. It's going to ask the conversion event. I'm tracking purchase. Then here I'm going to click on something like setup conversion. I would have made use of the first option, but it's most likely for you to be seeing something like this later, just in case you want to set up another pixel. So I click on this setup conversion. Then I'll click the first option, track conversion with standard event. Okay, so let me click on this install base code. Come here, copy the code. You see, you have to install this base code on website on the session. So you have already copied the code, right? Then come back to your WordPress. This is our WordPress now. You need to install a plugin. I don't know whether you already have that. Come to your plugin. I've already installed mine, but I'm still going to show you. Come to your plugin, then click on add new plugin and search for this insert header and footer. Insert header and footer. You see, insert header and footer, this one, then install. After installing, then you will be able to be seeing this thing on your WordPress. Let's assume you have already installed our plugin now. So the next thing is to come to your settings. You will find the plugin here, WP headers and footer. So come to your WP header and footers. Scroll down. This is it. This is our header scripts. You see, I've pasted many header code here. If you want to set up another pixel, you follow the same process. Paste it there, paste. So you can paste as many as you want. You can paste, you can keep pasting. It's not going to affect each other. So like the one we want to set up now, I will just give it little space, then paste the new code. Paste the new code here. I'm going to scroll down, then save changes. So I'm done with this one. Then I will click on pages to set my code. I will need to set my code on the page. Don't forget, I'm trying to set up pizza on this charcoal stove product, sales page, and I'm making use of Elementor page builder, not Thrive, but they are making use of Thrive, almost the same thing, but I don't think they are going to make use of this plugin we just used now. So charcoal stove, edit with Elementor, you can open a new tab, then come to your thank you page also. Yeah, your thank you page, you know that, right? Come to your thank you page, maybe this is your thank you page, then edit with Elementor, open a new tab also, allow it to load. Okay, so this is our sales page. I will come here, I will click on this session, then create a new one. You see, just a little space. Then we come here, add this HTML element, this element. Then I will paste the same code on this website. You see, I've pasted the code. Then I'll click on update to update the sales page. So we are done here. Let's go back to our Facebook as manager. So we click on continue, manually add event code here. Click on manually add event code, purchase, then we will copy the purchase code. So we have copied the code. You don't need to come to this same plugin again. I mean, you don't need to come here again, this WP header and footer, to paste anything. Just leave it like this. So you need to come here to our thank you page, do the same process. You remember the same process. Let me cancel this one, create a new session, then come to your element, search for HTML, drag it, then paste the code here, then we update, we save. Okay, it has been saved. Come to your Facebook page, then click on done. We are done. Although some do set up the custom conversion and everything, but this is what works for me. Like I said, this is the way I do set up my pixel, and I can, and believe me, it's actually working. So this is working for me. Okay, I check here. You see, it's working. Okay, it's still the same thing. If you want to set up another code on your and on another sales page, you follow the same process, but it can be mixed of one thank you page, so you don't need to be setting this button code again, this purchase code again. You can just be editing. Maybe you want to set up another sales page, put the code on the WP inserted and footer. But if you are making use of the same Facebook to run advert for another product, you don't need to tamper with the code on the WP header and footer plugin. You just need to open your sales page, paste the code there, and you're good to go. So okay, I think by now you can easily create and set up your Facebook page in just few minutes. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you, and see you next time.